Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. How are you doing today? So today's video I want to quickly show you guys how I turned this my burden calling wig into this. I messed up this wig when I was trying to do the honey brown highlighting, so I ended up ripping some part of the lace frontal, so I could no longer wear the wig as a frontal wig, and it has been on my wig storage for a very long time. So today I decided to bring it out and do something with it instead of throwing the wig away. I mean, it's a beautiful wig. I haven't really worn it. I've worn it for like 2 or 3 occasions for the past 2 years. That's because I don't really like frontal wig. I prefer closure, and I don't sleep with my wig on, so I want to be able to take off my wig anytime I want. Now I'm gonna go ahead to comb the front part of the wig because that is where I'll be trimming. So I'm gonna properly comb that out so as to know where to cut or trim. You get. So I'm gonna keep doing that until I'm satisfied with the tangle. And doing this with a frontal wig is very simple. It's not complicated. I believe you cannot go wrong with it. So this video is a self-explanatory, and I'm gonna leave you to watch the video. See you. Here is the final look, guys. Here is the final look. OMG, I look very different. I look so different, and I haven't worn something like this for a very long time. Back then when I was in Nigeria, I used to love a fuller wig, calling, something like this that just make me look like a small madam. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy watching, guys, and yeah, see you all in my next one.